Hello everyone, today we will review Mi Box 3. It's really small and compact Mi TV box. It has HDMI input. This is for USB 2.0 audio and for electricity. Really small and elegant. This is specification: quad core 64 2 GHz processor, pentacore GPU, 2 GB DDR3 RAM, 8 GB eMMC 5.0 ROM. It has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connectivity, everything you need for your TV box. Now, what do we have? Box. Okay. This is manual. Let's see if that's on Chinese or some other language. Okay. It is mostly on Chinese. It is international version of package, and yes, we have in English. Okay, like I said. Power, USB, HDMI out and audio out. It is really easy to connect. You get one HDMI cable and one power. This is English version, but you can buy some other. And oh, it's hard. We have remote, small, easy and compact. This is what we have in package. And next step is how this Mi TV box work. Okay, now we will see how to operate with Mi Box 3. Okay, we connect our Mi Box 3 with HDMI cable to our TV and power. Just power on, this button. Our Mi Box is on, and now with this remote, this is our menu. This is Bluetooth remote. Okay. It's really easy to operate with this Mi Box. You must connect to your home Wi-Fi network to use it. Okay, this is really simple. Remote control, back, or just simple home, and this is it. You have voice search and many other. This is pre-installed application, and you can to install. Oh no, this is my installation. You have 16 GB internal storage to install some other application. And if you want this Mi Box, you can operate with this universal remote air mouse. Okay. And this is it. Your Mi Box is ready, and enjoy.